Nathan?
I am here.
Owen?
Scrambling people's cubes
Owen?
using predetermined sequences, so everyone gets the same scramble and it's fair.
So as a judge, we monitor to make sure all the cubes are solved right. We also help time, and we just kind of play referees for all the contestants, and it's a lot of fun, and we kind of cheer them on too. So that's what our jobs are.
I am entering data for this competition, so all the scores are on here, and I get to enter it into Cube Count so that everybody gets the live results, and everything goes in at the end. That's how you
Ooh. And Mason with a 12:32 win. Yeah, you can just take that. Good job.